Hello friends, thank you for participating in our Kindness Kids this month. Today I'm going to show you how to make tissue paper flowers. In your packet you'll receive 3 different colors of tissue paper, and each color will have 8 sheets of tissue paper, 1 for each flower. Okay. You'll get 3 stems, 3 pipe cleaners for each flower, 1 for each flower, and you're going to take the tissue paper to start your first flower. And I'm going to show you that in the next portion of the video. Okay, have fun making flowers, and when you return them, you'll get your certificate for community service. See you soon. So, in your packet, you are going to receive 3 different colors of tissue paper. Not necessarily these 3, but you'll have a variety of 3 different colors, and you will have 8 sheets of tissue paper. So you want to take them and make sure that they are all nice and neat as you can, straight. Okay, and then you're going to take them and make like a paper fan, like you might have done years ago in some other fun craft. You're going to go back and forth, until you have it all the way to the end. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then you're going to take one of your pipe cleaners, and you're going to take it to the center of the tissue paper and wrap it around. Okay, that's going to be your stem. All right, and then I like to take a little snip on the ends. You can have your grown-ups help you with this because you kind of probably need a sharp scissor, a good scissor. And you could make it pointed or rounded. I like to make it a little pointed because it makes for a nice flower. But you don't have to do that. Okay, as you get the hang of it, you'll see what you like. All right, and then you're going to fan it out, and you're going to pull each piece of tissue paper very carefully towards the center. And you'll see pretty quickly how it creates the flower petals. All right. Now I will say you need to go very gently as you get the hang of it, because you'll tear your tissue paper. It's very thin, so just try to go gently and pull each one. Okay. And then keep doing that several times until you get to the very end. All right. And you can do all one side if you want. I like to do it a little bit. Oh, see, I ripped it a little bit. Gotta be careful. We can cover that up a little bit. Not a big deal. All right, okay. So you'll see your flower is coming to life. And that's pretty much it. Okay, it'll continue all the way to the end.